Hi there, students. Retentive, an adjective. You can have retentively, the adverb, and I guess as well a noun for the quality, the retentiveness. So I think for me the first meaning of retentive, or the main use, is to remember things easily. So do you have a retentive memory? Yeah, do you have a retentive brain? Can you remember things easily? If you're retentive, it's good for languages because you can you learn and remember the vocabulary very quickly. Yeah, so being retentive is a really good quality. Let's see, retentive. This comes from the verb to retain. Yeah, it's to keep something in your possession, to not give it over to somebody else, not to throw it away, to keep. And then this word retentive means having the power to retain. So, for example, earth or the soil where you grow something can be retentive. It keeps the water. The water doesn't flow straight through it, but it's retentive. It keeps it in. It doesn't let it flow away. And I think this is the idea of retentive. The ability to retain things, the quality to keep things in. But most commonly, the ability to retain knowledge and information with ease. Yeah? As I get older, unfortunately, my memory becomes less retentive. Yeah, so you're very good at remembering things. You're retentive. Yeah, the retention of information. Yeah, okay. If you have a retentive memory, then you retain information easily. Okay, so retentive, able to absorb, able to hold moisture. Yeah, particularly retentives holding moisture, but it could be other things as well. Okay, so retentive, having the capacity to retain things. A retentive soil retains or keeps water in it. Yeah. How we would all love to find a way to make ourselves more retentive, to be able to remember things better. Okay, so let's see, retentive. I think I'm probably going to give it a 5.5 in formality. Yeah, I think the verb retain 6 in formality. Retentive. Yeah, I guess you could use it in an informal conversation. It's probably better in something semi-formal, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. And then as to origin, it comes from, well, it originally comes through Old French, from Latin, retentus, from the verb retineo. Retineo, to teneo, to hold, and re, I think, is just an amplifier. Okay, so if you're retentive, you'll remember all of the bits of this explanation. Notice as well, somebody could be described as anally retentive. An anal retentive is a person who is obsessed with detail. They're so obsessed with details that it becomes annoying to other people. His anal retentiveness is just so annoying. It's just such an annoying thing. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Retentive.